Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have some fantastic stuff here. This is my fantastic Fansells finds, yes. And I got some good stuff. I really do. I found some things that were different, unique, new, I hadn't seen before, and I'm going to show them to you. All right, so let's get into it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy and you return. All right, okay, let's get started. Let's start with this one. So when I opened this one up, I was a little concerned. Sorry, this is what their toolkit looks like. I was a little concerned because I was like, oh no, did I get the same one? So there were several of these with a fence and flowers. And I actually had to go back and look at another video I've already recorded to be like, okay, is it the same one? No, it is not. Yay! I got a different one. Okay, but they were all so pretty with all these flowers just growing up along the fence. So pretty. Look at all of those flowers. Look at all the pretty colors. I love this one. And look at all the special drills. Look at all the special drills on those things. I love this. I love these. So now you know there are several of the fence and flowers. Check them all out. See which one you like the best. I had a hard time. I've gotten two, apparently, but they're different. All right, let's show you the drills. Let's get into these drills. Okay, what do we have? We have orange rhinestones, pink rhinestones, blue, beautiful purple rhinestones, a brown, green, like a yellow, gold color, another green. Looks very similar to that one, but they are different. Then we have some of our orange claws, as I call them. Some beautiful magenta teardrops, faceted, smooth blue marquise, and purple faceted marquise. Love these. Okay, I'm in love with all of them. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay, now, that's the only thing that's like springy, summery. We're moving to a different season now. Let's just move right into it. Why not? Because, baby, it's cold outside. And it has gotten cold outside. Yes, it has. I love this guy. Look at him. He's a little marshmallow in his cup of hot cocoa. He's trying to stay warm. I think that might be a little too warm for him in the hot cocoa. But look at this like gingham border all the way around this. I love this. It has 11 different drills. 11. I didn't tell you the other one had 12. Sorry. Love it. 11. Let's look at him. I love him. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. They have some cute stuff. I'm telling ya. All right. Here we go. What do we get? We get blue rhinestones. We get clear rhinestones. And those are super clear and super shiny. We get some reds, some, I don't know, tan, brown color, gray, browns, I don't know, black, blue, a smoky blue, and some white pearls, smooth pearls. Okay, these are AB faceted clear marquee. Is that enough words? AB faceted clear marquee in 2 sizes. And then we have hearts. Yes. Oh, look, he gets hearts. He gets one heart. He gets his heart. Heart. Bump. I love it. It's so cute. Love it. I got a shirt that says, baby, it's cold outside last year, I think. Love it. All right. Next. This is going to be a singing kind of a video. Because do you want to build a snowman? Do you? Do you want to build a snowman? Really cute. Oh my gosh. It is a gnome building a snowman, right? How cute is that? And these last two are perfect for cutting them out if you want to and mounting on something, which I have yet to do. I really need to just sit and craft for a while and work on some of the things I say I can do. I'm just too busy diamond painting and crocheting all the time. 9 drills. His poor snowman has fallen apart a little bit. Help him. Do you want to build a snowman? He needs some help. I'm telling you. Okay. Let's look at these. What do we got? We got some more of those pretty clear, sparkly. They're so shiny. They're nice. some blue rhinestones, purple rhinestones, amber color. Then we get some black and a blue and I don't know, cleary gray color. And then we get these beautiful, here we go again, AB faceted clear marquee. And stars. You're the star of the show. You're the star. Where did the stars go? Where do the stars go? Oh, in the snowflakes. In the snowflakes. I love him. I thought these two were so cute. I couldn't resist either one of them. Had to have them. Had to have them. All right. Now, here we go with some things that are unique. Unique items I had not seen before. Whenever I come across something I haven't seen, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. I gotta show it to you. Okay, here's our drills. Here's our toolkit. And what is in here? In here is our little objects. Okay, hang on. I don't want to lose everything that's in here. I got a bunch of jump rings and things like that. Okay, hang on. Oh, bunch of stuff. Hang on. All right. So, just so you know, I have jump rings in here in the bag. I got more jump rings. And then they came with this. I don't want to lose any of these pieces. They came with this. Now, I'm assuming, yes, that these come apart like this. And the little guy goes on there like that. And he's double-sided, as you can tell. He's a little gingerbread man. He gets about, what, 30 drills on each side. Isn't he cute? And these are for wine glasses, right? Or, you know, a glass with a stem anyhow, to mark whose glass it is. I love that. Now, the jump ring, I'm certain you put the jump ring in, oh my gosh. Put the jump ring on here first so it just dangles better. But aren't they cute? Are they cute? What a cute idea. We have little glass markers. Here's your glass. This is your cup. Don't drink out of mine. Right? So here's, oh, see this one? Oh, I thought that one was put together. No, it was not. Okay, how many are there? There's a ton. Okay, I'm just putting all this back in there. And let's look at all of them. Okay, so we had the little gingerbread man. We have a snowman. And they're double-sided, which is cool. We've got a Santa hat. That's number 3. We've got a candle. This is how big your party can be. We got 4. We got a reindeer head. That's 5. We got Santa. 6. A wreath. 7. And a little house. 8. We have 8 guests at our party. We got 8 little wine glass markers. I love it. Okay, let's look at our drills. What do we get? What do we get? Bunch of rhinestones, I'm gonna guess. Yep, clear rhinestones, red rhinestones, pink, amber, brown, gold. Oh, real brown, pink, green, and yellow. These are so shiny. These rhinestones are looking pretty snazzy. All right, so we got these guys. Cute, right? Love that. Love that. I'm going to bring these out at Christmas. We're going to mark some people's glasses. Yeah. All right, I'm going to put them back in here so I don't lose anything. Okay, that was that item. This one, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I'm sure they had different styles, different designs. This is a bundle of fun. Okay, I saw these and I was like, okay, we got to look at this. That's our toolkit. We have some little stands. Let's start with that. Take those out. Oh, we got string. We've got string. We've got those guys. More stands. More string. Oh, my. We got drills. Okay, let's start with these guys. First of all, these objects are all wooden. Okay, and if anybody has a tiered tray, do you have a tiered tray? I have one right there on my counter. I always decorate it. It needs to be changed because it's still summer. I haven't changed it for fall. I need to do that. So anyhow, these are to decorate your tiered tray with, right? So you got some little stands, and I'll show you what goes in these in a little bit. There's some objects that go in the little stands, okay? There's strings. We'll talk about the strings. I think I know how this all goes, what everything's for. Let me see. So I think one of the strings is for these guys, and one of the strings is for these. So you make little garlands. Ready? They're gingerbread men. They're little gingerbread boys, and you'll string them through here, you know, string them. And then they can be tied onto your tray to make a little garland on your tray. See? Do, hang them, right? Okay, so there's one. They're all a little different. There's two. There's three. These are one-sided. 4 and 5. So they'll string on your little string like that, and you can hang them on your tiered tray, and they can like dangle and hang out, right? Aren't they cute? I thought they were so cute. I love this idea. It's just a lot of fun stuff. Okay, so that's one thing, and that's its string. Okay, next, we got another string, and we have some more things with holes, right, to make another garland. So we have a stocking. We have a tree. Remember, these go on the string. Make a little garland. Dangly, dangly, dangly. Love it, right? Hang them on there. Tree, stocking, a house, and a present, a little package. There you go. Those are larger than the gingerbread men were. Aren't they cute, though? They're all wooden. I love that. Okay, now I think we get to the things that go on the stands. Ready? Yes. Baking Christmas memories. Sits in your little stand. There you go. I love this. Isn't this cute? Look at him. You know why I got this set now, right? There were a couple of different sets. There were. Check them out. See which one you like. There's him. Another house. You got to have a house. A little gingerbread house. Okay. There we go. There's our gingerbread house. And this says, official cookie tester. And there's a little stand for him as well. Isn't this cute? I love this. Love, love, love this. There were, I don't know, 3 at least different sets with different, different things. Check them out. I'll link these below. And then it should lead you to the others as well, I would think. So let's look at the drills. So there's no legends for these. You'll just look at your object that you're diamond painting and look at your package for your drills, right? And for example, this is A. And A is clear rhinestone. You have a bunch of clear rhinestones. So you see, he's got A, the words, the lettering A. So the whole background on that one is A. See how that goes? Okay. So we've got red. Are they the same red? Yep, all the same red. 2 packages of red. 1 package of green, some brown, some yellow, regular black drills, dark brown, orangey, another orange, another yellow, an icy blue, a pink, and a yellow. I love this. I think this is fantastic. Anybody who decorates like that, and I know there are people out there that do. I know there are. I'm one of them. I always have a little tiered tray decorated over there. Isn't that cute? Such a cute idea. Such a cute idea, right? Okay. All right. That's what I have from Fansells. Fantastic Fansells finds. See? I'm telling you. And then, Christmas comes around, man, and we're putting our little things on our glasses. This is your glass. This is my glass. We probably have more than 8 people, but, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like bell, subscribe. All that fun stuff that YouTube watchers do. I appreciate it greatly. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I will talk to you really soon. Check the description box for links for these. You're not going to want to miss out on some of those, right? I know you're not. And thanks for listening to the show. I try not to sing too often. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.